Hello, in this video I am going to discuss with you index registers. So there index registers are used for, index addressing, and sometimes can be used for mathematical operations such as addition and subtraction. So we've got two right here. We've got the source index, and that is used for that's used as an index for string operations. The destination index is basically used as an index for string operations as well. So that's really it for index registers. We are going to be covering all of this later on in this series and actually implementing all the different registers in our application. But if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual I look forward to seeing you in the next video.